Thank you so much. Thank you.
Now one more your corner.
कैमी यहाँ पे सामने
लेफ्ट एक्सट्रीम लेफ्ट है अभी
क्या मैडम एकदम सामने बोल रहा हूँ वहाँ से या ओनली
यहाँ corner corner.
कैमी एकदम सामने
तो डन बाय
Okay, done. Thank you.
मैम जस्ट बोल सर लास्ट वन
Now one last.
सामने सामने एकदम सामने
Sir यहाँ पे corner corner. ऋतिक sir. ऋतिक sir
So
corner
your
corner.
so your left
ऋतिक सर सामने ऋतिक सर एकदम
सर
सामने
एकदम सामने
Start here. We'll do a
हाँ sir.
ओके सर चलो
very
और डिस्टर्ब के बाद नीचे करो
center.
ऋतिक सर का सोलो
बहुत चिल्लाता है.
सर एक सोलो हमारा हो गया
Sir यहाँ से start करो ऋतिक sir.
सर सामने सर राइट साइड सर यहाँ पे
Sir यहाँ से start करो sir.
सर
सर
सबसे पहले तो प्रोमोज लोगों को बहुत ही पसंद आया है। अपने किरदार के बारे में थोड़ा कुछ ब्रीफ कर दीजिए हमारी ऑडियंस को कि मतलब किस तरह का किरदार है आपका और या में आपका
किरदार मेरा है एक बहुत ही सिंपल इंसान है रोहन और वो ब्लाइंड है लेकिन ब्लाइंड होने के बावजूद बहुत ही इंडिपेंडेंट है बहुत सेल्फ रिलायंट है उसमें कोई ऐसी बात नहीं है जिसे देखकर आपको लगे कि दिस मैन इज़ हेल्पलेस और ही इज़ नीडी और नॉट जस्ट माई कैरेक्टर बट ऑल्सो हर्स और ये एक जिम्मेदारी थी आई थिंक हमारी क्योंकि हमने जब रिसर्च किया तो वी फाउंड आउट दैट द ब्लाइंड इन द वर्ल्ड आर नॉट लाइक हाउ वी इमेजिन देम टू बी सो दिस वॉज द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू प्रोजेक्ट द ट्रूथ ऑफ सोसाइटी and with the truth comes progress and awareness and all of that so this was very very important for me to know that everybody in the film is bearing this responsibility
Absolutely.
to portray the truth क्योंकि आजकल हमारे जो misconceptions हैं blind के बारे में हम सोचते हैं कि blind is more like you know भाई थोड़ा help types और फॉर दैट वी आर ओनली एट फॉल्ट क्योंकि हमारी पिक्चरों में दिखाया गया है ऐसा कि ब्लाइंड मीन्स लाइक दिस सो इट इज़ टाइम दैट आर यू नो द मिस्टेक इज़ रेक्टिफाइड बाय अस ओनली सो और आई जस्ट वांट टू से दैट यू नो फॉर एग्जांपल द ब्लाइंड इन आवर वर्ल्ड actually we are the ones who are blind to the blind world because in the blind world people are there are blind photographers, there are blind bodybuilders, there are blind cricket players, there are blind CEOs of companies, lawyers. I mean, जो हम कर सकते हैं वो कर सकते हैं. So what I would like to re-emphasize on is that they are differently abled, but differently. So there should be no reason to overly sympathize and you know think of them as people who are needy because they are not. They are so independent. That is why we made our characters just like us.
Absolutely.
तो उसमें एक डर था क्योंकि as actors when we do films जिसमें the environment builds a sympathy for the character तो actors feel very safe कि ये author backed है. So you know the environment and screenplay and the people in the film will make us look more special. इसमें वो नहीं है. Which is why it is new. Which is why it is something that we are proud of that we took that risk as actors and as a film. So उसके apart from that.
ऑन सेट भी आप एक दूसरे को इस तरह ही कॉम्प्लीमेंट करते थे किस तरह का केमिस्ट्री था ऑन सेट
On set पे तो I think I and she were not there only. We were just constantly the characters. And through the characters, I think there was Rohan and Supriya are you know so vulnerable with each other and so respectful for each other. And I think that has somewhere seeped into our equation on the set as well. So there. While working, we were connecting beautifully, but we were, I think, mostly taking from the characters,
The characters.
and interacting like like them, you know. So it was really, really nice.
Hrithik, with every movie you take up some new challenges, and this time also you have taken up a challenge. Like, how difficult was it to behave when you can see everything, but to act someone who can't see? And Yami, for you also, like you went some through workshops or preparations. How much time did that take?
It's difficult, yes, but that's why it's fun. No? I like doing things which are tough because I know what the fulfillment is after you achieve something that you thought was tough. When you do something easy, then the fruits of that is, it's done. So I get bored with that. So I rather do something that is, you know, tough. So what was the second part of the question? The blind.
The blind.
It was difficult, yeah, because I think from all the films that I have done, this was the most difficult skill to prep for, because the eyes are a very small muscle and it's a involuntary muscle. So even your eyelids you can control, but there are times when if there's something passing in front of your face, you know, you'll flinch. And sometimes in the action sequences, I had to keep my eyes open while something passes really quickly in front of my eyes. So that was tough, but we managed well. But apart from that, I don't think an actor's prep should be praised too much. You see the results. If the results are good, you praise that. Actors' prep should be a common thing. People should work hard. They should learn that, you know, all the being cool and stuff should come after all the hard work is done. So don't start off if, you know, this is, I think, a message that is good for aspiring actors, that don't start off being cool, you know, I'm cool like that and stuff. Don't start off with that. Start off with the work. Be a laborer first, and then you'll get your chance. You know, when the results are out, they all love it and stuff, then you'll be cool, man. It's like, that was easy for me, stuff.
Yami would like to know from you, Hrithik is a superb dancer, everyone knows that. But to match up with his steps, and when
I was matching up to her.
No.
That's the truth.
Please
I
ask.
am a good dancer. I am a good dancer.
You're an awesome dancer.
But in this song, I'm not saying it means a lot, but it's definitely the truth that there was a particular shot in this film, in Mon Amour, where I saw what she was doing, okay, and I liked that more. We were both doing the same step, but her style was more fun, because she has a natural flair, you know, because she's a very happy person. She radiates that joy. So even in her language, you know, she radiates another kind of joy. So she was using her head also. And I saw that and I said, I want to do it like this. So then I asked her to please come and just show me what you're doing once or twice. And I saw her, and then I copied what she was doing in the
And
song.
after that, I just wanted to pack up and just leave with a lot of happiness that, wow, Hrithik has said something like this. You know, I have a very weird ratio in my head when I sat down and thinking that, now where should we begin with? I was like, if you want to look half or maybe little half as good, you can't even come near him, but half as good as Hrithik, you gotta put in more than double the effort that he puts in. And he works hard. I can't even tell you to what level. That's the reason why he keeps reinventing himself every time, be it any dance form or anything, because he doesn't cease to learn or practice or rehearse. Never in the entire film sked or dance I've heard the word "हाँ ये हो जाएगा." Even you can get up and say, "हाँ, that's something very simple." Suppose, no, let's come together, let's rehearse, let's own it, and then just go for it. So when you see a Hrithik Roshan rehearsing so much and putting his heart and soul and all those hours into it, you are obviously you're inspired and you want to give it even more than 100%, and you feel good that, wow, if that's the kind of attitude he comes, and that's true. I mean, it's not just about me. Anybody, be it dance or anything, has a suggestion or he feels, oh, that's something looking nice, so let's try that. That's an attitude which it doesn't come with any that baggage or anything, or I'm expected to talk in a certain way, or I'm expected, something is expected out of me. Nothing. Just Hrithik, the actor, Hrithik, the hard-working actor comes who wants, to get the best out of himself and everybody. So when all these things are there, all I have to do is nothing. Just like keep rehearsing till the time.
But you know, it's really true what you said. I just want to add to that is that the point of the rehearsals is not really to you know look your best or get the step and the angle, all of that right. That's not the end goal. The end goal really is to do the steps so much that it becomes a part of
Yeah.
your system. You know, you absorb it so much, and then you can do it your way. Then you just do it, just fly with it, and do it how you want to do that step. So then you forget about the angles and you forget about
True.
the correctness. You just enjoy it then. So that only comes if you've repeatedly done that a lot of times.
And especially the fact we had to also add that the visually
Yeah,
impaired factor
exactly.
to it. So,
So we had to be perfect in the steps and then forget about the steps and do whatever came to us.
yeah.
So I think that's what makes it special.
Yummy. So,
Ritik, Ritik.
what is the one thing that you would take back from the characters that you played and implemented in your life?
You know, I think, and probably this is somewhere true for the both of us, that yes, sometimes when you do films, you know you take back from the
Yeah.
character, but I think a lot of the characters in this film actually have us
Yeah,
in it.
in it.
So I think what I can say that I take back is a kind of a benchmark. This film for me is a kind of a benchmark, and I don't want to speak too soon, but at least with the experience that we've had, I think it's a benchmark in our heads. That you know, I will always hope, I will always maybe compare, you know, in my choices when I choose something, is it as invigorating as it was for Kabul? When I read Kabil's script, I felt like this. Am I feeling that now? You know, the environment on the set, how do I recreate that kind of... So it's a kind of a benchmark that has become, at
Totally.
least in my head. So that is, I think, one of the things that I think we can
Yeah,
implement, actually.
Totally second one.
Yeah.
Ritik, we had,
did you
Ritik, we had a
put on
word
weight?
Yeah.
Ritik, we
Did
had
you
a
put on weight? Because we see in the magazine covers you are sleek. So what preparation did you go?
Yeah, well, it's easy to gain weight. The only thing I had to let go of is the attachment to the, you know, the labels. Sometimes actors can get very attached to labels like sexiest, you know, six-pack abs, and, you know, he's known for this and he's known for that. I don't have a problem in letting go of that. So for Kabul, I knew that if I look as sharp as I did in Krish or Bang Bang, I would not be being truthful to this character. So I wanted him to look, you know, sweet, you know, and that's how I am. I mean, what Rohan is what I am actually. So it wasn't tough. It was just a decision that, okay, for this film, I'm going to let go of that. People are going to say, "Kya hua tere ko? You've gained little weight, or you've lost weight, or, you know, you're not looking in shape and all. What happened to your arms?" वो सब होगा. I prepared myself in normal, you know, in life, when you meet some people, and I've been asked that, "Kya hua tere ko? You're not well?" नहीं, I'm fine.
अच्छा, इसके अलावा फिल्म का म्यूजिक जो है काफी अच्छा कर चुका है, तो मतलब फिल्म का म्यूजिक हिट होना कितना अच्छी बात है फिल्म के लिए, मतलब कितनी आधी जंग जीत ली ऐसा मानते हैं आप?
ऐसा होता तो था, बट आज की डेट में आई एम नॉट सो श्योर. आई एम जस्ट हैप्पी दैट जो भी प्रोमोज हैं या सॉन्ग्स हैं जो लोगों ने जो देखे हैं, द फीडबैक हैज़ बिन सो पॉजिटिव दैट वी आर रियली relieved, happy, excited that, you know, the buzz is so positive. We're very happy about that. Sorry. Whether it has a consequence or an effect on the box office, I'm not too sure. The promo, yes. I don't know about the songs. I don't know about songs because there are so many songs that have been released that have done 100 million views, and the picture's not opened at all. So, you know, I don't know what's going on there. I think
You believe in box office numbers?
believe मतलब कोई, it's not a ghost, it's there. कोई भूत थोड़ी है. Box office number. Do you believe? I don't believe it exists. It is there. Of course, I believe in them. But I think what you're trying to ask is, do I
matter.
go after the box office numbers? The thing is, you can't go after it. You can only do good work. Box office number comes to you. So I have to just, you know, do my work. That's all we can do.
Ritik, you have very fantastic dialogue. If you can tell us one of your favorite dialogue from the movie, both of you.
Oh, there are many dialogues. There are many dialogues.
But one of
There
your
are
favorite.
some very sweet ones between Sue and Rohan. Very sweet ones. And yeah, there's some
You
dramatic
know,
ones.
Yeah, weirdly, it's. I'll steal this answer from Ritik because I heard him say this, and I totally. That's another thing we have in common. If someone asks, आपका favorite dialogue सुनाएंगे, मुझे ना याद रहता है एकदम से और ना मैं कर पाऊंगी because I think that mahal is only different. That it's totally different. I don't think I can ever pull it off. What we can say is for you is. Mon amour. That's it. That's the only thing we can do.
One from a promo which is being pretty popular, like "aa raha hu darega to nahi," kind of that one.
No, yaar, you know that's a character, and I don't want. I'm not a mimic. I'm not I'm not somebody who does those lines because I can do them. It comes from the character. It comes from. It happens in that moment. So in that regard, I am not a very good actor. Like I can't just do. I get into it and something comes out. It's nice. It's great. Wow, superb. I feel belief that it happened. Like that I can't do it.
Ritik Yami,
Some can. I don't know how they do it.
Ritik, just one last.
Ritik Yami,
Relieved.
give us 5 reasons why the audience must go and watch Kabul first day, first show.
But why did you say 5?
Give me 10, as many as
We'll give you
like.
1.
You give.
That's our heart. We've given our heart out to you.
Lovely.
I think
yes,
there is
I
nothing
agree
more
with that.
than special than heart. And this film has been made with a lot of love and heart.
And
Of course.
I hope they have their own reasons to watch this
Yeah.
film. I don't think we need to give them one.
Not
I hope they all have their own reason. And if we don't, then of course we can't force them. So please, if you.
Thank you guys.
All right.
Thanks.